Let me walk you through how to use the Slice tool in Figma to export specific elements from your designs. We'll cover everything from accessing the tool to exporting your first slice in just 5 quick steps. First, head down to the bottom of your design canvas where you'll find the Regional Tools button. Go ahead and click on that to open up the Tools menu. You'll see a list of different tools appear. Find the Slice option and click on it to activate the tool. With the Slice tool active, simply use your cursor to draw a selection around the object or area you'd like to export. This creates what we call a slice boundary. Once you've made your selection, look over to the right side panel and click the Export button. This is where you'll control how your slice gets saved. Here you can adjust your export settings like file format and resolution to match what you need. When you're ready, just click Export Slice 1 and your file will be saved. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to use the Slice tool to export any part of your Figma designs. Feel free to run through this again anytime you need a refresher.